Welcome to this Tableau mobile video. Tableau Mobile is the best way to interact with your data anywhere. For information on navigating the app, please check out the preceding video. To follow along, you'll need access to a Tableau Online or Tableau Server site, as well as the mobile app. You found that data you needed. Now what? How we interact with a viz will vary based on the type of content we're looking at. For a simple interaction, tap on a mark to select it. This will highlight the mark and bring up a tooltip with more information. Tap again to deselect. To select a group of marks, tap and hold to drag the rectangular selector to include the desired marks. A view can be reverted to its original state by using the revert icon at the top. Many views and dashboards include filters. Tap a filter to bring it up in a larger format and select the desired filter option. Filters can be cleared by touching the clear filter icon at the top. Tap outside the filter to close it. On a map, there are several map-specific options. Swipe out with 2 fingers to zoom in and pinch to zoom out. To pan, tap and drag the map. We can also search geographically. If we want to select a group of marks, we can tap the pan icon in the map toolbar and choose our preferred method of selection, such as radial select or lasso, then tap and drag to set the selection. To go back to pan and zoom, tap to open the toolbar menu and select the pan icon. To go back to the original orientation of the map, use the home icon in the toolbar. But let's say we want to keep these adjustments we made to the map. We can save a custom view by selecting Remember My Changes and entering a name. Tap to open the same menu to toggle between the original view, other saved views, or create a new view. Custom views can be shared with others by selecting Manage Custom Views and tapping the person icon. Your view is now available to anyone with access to that content. Similarly, custom views built by others may be available in this menu. Let's back out to the All area for a moment and look at Workbooks only. Tapping on a workbook will either bring up a tabbed view if it was published to show sheets as tabs, or tap this chart icon here in the upper right corner to show a list of available sheets in that workbook. If we ever want to hide the toolbar and focus on the viz, we can tap this caret to toggle the toolbar. If we want to ask additional questions, we may have the option to edit the view, depending on the permissions of the content. To edit a view, tap the Edit button in the toolbar. We're brought to a Tableau desktop-like experience where we have access to the underlying fields in the data, as well as the canvas for building our view. We can edit an existing view or even build a new one. Adding a field is as simple as dragging and dropping. Here, I'll bring Time on Page to the Rows shelf. We can even create or edit calculations. Tap on the drop-down arrow next to Dimensions and select Create Calculated Field, or to edit an existing calculation, double tap it. I'll modify goal conversion rate. Double tap and select Edit. I know in our organization, we care about downloads per page view, not visit. I can delete out visits and add page views instead. If we want to see our view in greater detail, we can collapse the panes by tapping the canvas. We still have basic information conveyed in the icons, and to access the underlying panes again, simply tap to reopen them. We can either save this new view, or, if we have the rights, potentially save over the old view. Sharing views is as easy as copying a link from the Share menu. Thank you for watching this mobile training video. We invite you to continue with the on-demand videos to learn more about using Tableau.